how to fix Gmail account couldn't sign in on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here you will find Gmail. Click on it and then click force stop. Now go to storage, clear cache and here now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store and check if there is any update, and then just click update if you find any update here, and that's it. Then restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.